Emirates A380 lands about 10 o'clock. Flight EK448. Registration. Find the registration. A6EVJ. Turning around now. Hi, this is Rob at Auckland Airport, Saturday 24th of May 2025. Nice fine day here at Auckland Airport. We saw the Emirates A380 from Dubai just land about 10 o'clock. We've seen Boeing 777 to Singapore and a Boeing 777 to Tokyo that just left. So it's a good day, nice fine day for plane spotting. So thank you to all our subscribers, and if you haven't subscribed, please like and subscribe if you'd like to help and support the channel so we can get more content out to our viewers. Alright, let's carry on.